Hello and welcome back. Some of you know me, some of you don't, and I've not been making videos recently. It's been quite a long time. It's been a month since I posted last because of some responsibilities I have on my shoulders. So, until and unless my YouTube gets big enough so that I can leave my other work, other job, and get back on track to making another videos time to time, this is how it's going to be. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, and people who don't know me, you guys should subscribe to my channel and keep commenting down and keep liking my videos. So for today, I've got you a very interesting video. Last time you saw my Escalade, and not my Escalade actually, but you saw an Escalade. So regarding to that, I have something very exciting to show you. So here's the thing, that Escalade is going under a modification. So the roof basically is getting all the stars. So I thought it's a good opportunity to cover it into this video. So this is the Escalade that I showed you before. I made a small review video about it, right? So you see this black beauty. Now the whole roof is plain black. Now it's going to get changed like into a Rolls Royce roof. Over here, there are gonna be stars. So see this? The roofs coming out bit by bit. And my man over here, Chris, is the one who's doing it.
Sir,
Yeah. So if you guys need to come over here, get your car look like Rolls Royce, he's the man.
we're gonna turn this into a Rolls Royce for him.
Yeah, say again, brother.
We're gonna turn this into a Rolls Royce because this is what we do.
Yep. So this.
Starlights, Galaxy, ambient lights all around.
Yep. So basically, what he said, if you couldn't hear, he's going to change this Escalade into Rolls Royce from inside. So he is specifically doing star lights. He does all the ambient lightings, and he does more so galaxy lights as well. So you see, removing pieces bit by bit. Now the front is a little bit done. Now over there. And if you're wondering that those after getting stars is going to look ugly, no, it's not, because when you close it, when you switch it off, you are not even going to notice. Yeah, some people do think that,
Oh nah.
Yeah, because it's a modification, so they think that,
They don't know what they're missing.
yeah, they think that these stars are going to, when it's daytime, it's going to look ugly, but they don't know when you turn it off, it's going to look like you didn't do any work at all.
Do any work. This is my
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
Different quality.
You hear him? It's different quality. Yeah. Plus, you get warranties as well for a year.
Sir,
So,
any strip gets damaged, free replacement.
yep, free replacement if anything's damaged. What else do you want?
What else do you want?
Yeah. So the holes are going to be so tiny bit that when you switch it off, it's not even going to give, it's not even going to look that you even did stars work or anything as well. It's going to look completely bone stock until and unless you switch it on. So the stars are going to start from third row all the way to the front. Only the carpet the panoramic roof has, that is not going to be covered in that.
This part,
Yeah, it's not going to be covered. Yeah.
you gotta let them know that instead we're gonna add two ambient light strips. So it could be like a whole lot of thing going on.
Yeah.
Two ambient light strips and the Galaxy on the glass.
So what he's saying, if you couldn't hear, he's saying that there's going to be two ambient lighting strips on the panoramic roof plus a film of galaxy lights. So I'll show you once it's done. It's going to look phenomenal. So it's going to take a day to complete this whole truck, but stay tuned, you are going to love it. And also I'm running a bit low on content. I need more content for my channel and daily vlogs. I don't have enough time to shoot daily vlogs because I'm busy. I said I have responsibilities. So this is the one content which I didn't want you guys to miss, and you guys can watch this. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned, watch this till the end, okay? And also drop down your thoughts on this modification, whether the guy who's doing it, is it worth it or not, so that you guys can also keep my comment section and my channel live, and share and like to this video as well. And after all those unscrewing those thing and removing those panels, it's time to remove the upper carpet.
Whoa, it's fucking hot.
Yeah,
Out of nowhere, bro.
for past 2 days it was not that hot, now it's
Right?
getting hot. Yeah, the weather's been changing like crazy.
That's good though.
Yeah, it
That's what
was
we
too
want.
cold. Yeah,
That's what we want. Remember, we're in New York.
yeah,
It's cold most of the time.
yeah. Yeah. So as I was saying, this panoramic roof, you can see, it's gonna get changed into galaxy roof. It's going to be a film, and on the borders there's going to be LED stripes. And guys, here's my question to you all. Are you guys enjoying my videos in English or in Hindi? So between this vlog, I'm asking you a question: what you want to see, Hindi or English? I can change my channel into both as well. Some videos I can make in Hindi, some videos in English, or I can make all the videos in Hindi. And till now I've been making in English. So let me know in the comment section, would you guys like to see it in Hindi as well? And finally, after 30 minutes, the roof is out. See that? Yep, it's out. See this? The roof is completely out. According to Chris, just this piece takes about 300 to 400 stars. So this is for the third row. Yep, took quite a long to get it out. All the wirings and stuff. And here's the rest. This is gonna come out too. So now they lit up everything. Now it will look much better on the camera, right? So everything you see over here is visible amazingly. Yeah. So the roof is out completely. See this, guys? It's out. It's out. The roof is out.
Se la estoy regalando. Y me está haciendo un programa en YouTube entero.
Chris, how many stars in this headliner?
On that one, we do it from 900, no?
900 to 1000?
900 to 1,000 on that piece, 300 to 400 on that piece.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's out finally. So the guy has just went to get the galaxy lights, and he has the stars, but he's going to apply galaxy because it's a film which is going to stick there for 24 hours. And I have to stop recording because he'll come, then he'll record from his phone, then I have to get back to work. So unfortunately for now, this is all I can record, but I've told him to make a nice video for you guys, and he's gonna do that absolutely. And he should do that because I told him. Okay, so until tomorrow, by the time I come over here, the work is going to be completed probably. If it's not, I'm going to take you all the I'm going to show you the whole work, how it's done and how it looks after the work. And even if I don't show it, If you guys think it's going to get boring, then no worries. We can just show. We can. I can just show you the before and after of the car. You know.